Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is just a follow-up video dun sa two previous videos ko in regards to how you're going to install Disney Plus in your device or your TV. Right now, we are going to demonstrate it on this Xiaomi Mi Box. So, if you're going to check the interface, guys, the interface looks like a regular smart TV. Actually, this is the same interface that you're going to see in the Google Play Store, which is installed in your smart TV. So, it really depends on what smart TV you're using. If you're going to see the same interface that I'm seeing right now, yes, it's possible. Basta yung region nyo, Philippines. So, let's go ahead and install it, no? So, what I usually do, I just go to apps and then, you can see Google Play Store from there. Very easy. And then, from Google Play, so, you're going to see a lot of apps here. So, ayun, nag-appear na siya sa recommended for you. So, you're just going to choose that and you're just going to click on install. And then, yan, mabilis na yan. So, I'm really not sure how many seconds or minutes, but it should be seconds lang kasi 400, ayun, 98% agad. Hindi pa ako tapos sa statement ko, 90%. Now, it's installing. So, it really depends on your internet speed test. By the way, this is Gianna. This is my daughter. So, siya yung guest natin ngayon. Witness siya dito sa ginagawa natin because she's also a fan of Disney and I hope someday she could see Disney World. Alright, so there, it's already installing. If you're going to see dun sa description niya, Disney Plus and then the Walt Disney Company, nakalagay dun sa parenthesis, it says there, Southeast. It means the region that it was able to detect the app is Southeast Asia. By the way, Disney Plus in Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and here in the Philippines is Southeast Asia. So they require a phone number so that you could log in. So let's try to check. Alright, so I was able to install it. So magtatanong kayo sa akin, Kuya, bakit wala? Bakit wala dun sa screen ko? It's not there because yung makikita nyo apps dito, they are the favorites. So, just click on the plus sign dun sa dulo. Ayun yung Disney Plus. It's going to be added there. And then, once Disney Plus is there, just go ahead and hold it and then move. Yan, pwede mo na siyang i-move kahit saan. I usually put it here para madaling makita. And then, once you log in there, so yan, Disney Plus na yan. And then, you just have to agree and continue. So, Moana. And there. So, this is the part that I really want to explain to everyone about this login part. A lot of you are asking me bakit email address lang po nakikita ko or this your region is not supported. So, once you have this screen and you're going to see that it requires a phone number, it is imperative for you to know what region nung app yung dinownload mo. Because if your Google Play was created in the US or Canada or the UK or Middle East or Abu Dhabi or Dubai, those regions are requiring you to log in via email address. So, one good example is the Amazon Fire Stick, which I was able to probe. Yung Amazon Fire Stick is really not capable of playing the Disney Plus here in the Philippines because it requires an email address. So, yes, you can log in using the email address as long as you have a Disney Plus account which was created in the US. So, you can log in using the email address, but of course, it's going to require you to put in an authentication code. So, okay lang. Gagana yan. Basta yung email address na gamit mo doon was already created before in Disney Plus and then it's going to let you log in and not the phone number. So here, so this is the part where it's very crucial dahil Southeast Asia siya. So medyo nagka-cry na siya. So sabihin mo, hi Gianna, hi. So ayun, so nakita niyo wala nang guest ko kasi kailangan kong kunin yung phone ko dahil i-demonstrate ko. So this will be blurred out. I'm sorry, I'm using the incorrect remote controller. So I'll go ahead and put in my phone number. And then, okay, so as mentioned earlier on the same process, the email address, it's the same process that you're going to do with Disney Plus using email address. So here, of course, hindi pa ako maka-sign in because it's going to require me to put in a 4-digit code. So let me see kung may na-receive ako. Yes, I was able to receive it. So, ayun, ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. And then, ayun, so then, it already recognized my login. And then, you can see the 6 profiles that I have in there. And then, tignan ko kung continuation ba siya ng pinanood namin kagabi. Yes, it's there. So, ganun lang kadali, guys. I just want to reiterate dun sa first page. So, if you're going to see this screen, the same exact interface, the same exact screen na nakikita nyo sa smart TV nyo, sige, isolate na natin yung Mi Box, isolate na natin yung MX4, isolate na natin yung Amazon Fire Stick or Roku. If you have this in front of your smart TV and you know that kaya nyong install yung Disney Plus, just go to apps and then look for Google Play Store. Yun lang. Yan. Or just go ahead and click on Get More Apps. And it's going to divert you over to the App Store and you can download it. So yun, if you have any questions, if you have any clarifications, just comment on this video below and I can go ahead and answer them as soon as possible. So do not forget to subscribe and like this video and put a thumbs up if you are satisfied with my explanation. Thanks. Bye.